with room tips. Today I show you how to find a hotel on booking.com 2025 years. Right. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Okay, first, and Google search or ATK search platform and write booking.com. Okay, and scroll down and search booking.com official site, the best hotels, fly, car rental, and click on this. Next, select your currency, click on and search your currency and click on your currency. I am select USDT and this select your language. I am select English USA. Alright, and where are you going? Okay, right, and maybe Sharm el Sheikh, and check-in date, check-in out date. Alright, maybe 10 and 21. This select value people, adults, to adults, children 0, rooms 1 or 2, and okay, 1, and click on done. Alright, and traveling with pets, yes or no. Okay, and click on search. Nice. And these all hotel, apartments, and ETK room. Okay, scroll down and property type and select hotels. Okay, and change budget per night. Okay, 35 and 155. Okay, popular filters and see a view, all inclusive, and okay. Okay, City Sharm, Palm Beach Resort, families and couples only, or Sharm Resort. Okay, and click on this. Scroll down and view room type and select this. No, and yep. Okay, select this and select room, one room, and click on reserve with Genius discount and click on this. Alright, scroll down, write your contact info, and next finish details and add your payment method and etc. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye.